antibacterial properties of silver have been known for hundreds of years, but its use has been limited. N9 Pure Silver is one company that's trying to explore new ways of using silver in our daily lives. You know, every time you say pure silver, the image that comes to one's head is really, jewelry or utensils. It's always a hard metal that you can see at display shelves.
Yeah. Silver, age-old antimicrobial. If you go back to the old days where you can think of sort of sweets in India and the Middle East with silver on them, that silver is actually a preservative. It's an antimicrobial.
How is this silver that you're using used? I mean, do you mix it with something? What's the technology?
We first developed it for use in textiles, and in textiles the benefit is it ranges from freshness, which is a really soft benefit, to a hard antimicrobial benefit. It's actually pure metallic silver and in pure deionized water. So when it leaves our factories, it leaves as a liquid. And it's very easy to apply in textiles. It's just part of the processing. There's no extra steps involved. But once it's onto a surface, it just doesn't come off. It doesn't leach.
Tell us a little more about how it's being put to use there.
But you have a little bit of N9 Pure Silver in a pair of socks, and basically bacteria don't get onto the socks. So there's no bad smells on the socks. But then if you move into harder benefits of antimicrobial, if you think about nurses' uniforms, ambulance workers' uniforms, there is a lot of handling of people.
Right.
We have a test ongoing in the UK with the ambulance service for coating all their uniforms.
Only 100 parts per million is enough to kill up to 99.99% of bacteria in the material it is coating. This, combined with the fact that it can be added during the existing manufacturing processes, means it's extremely cost-effective, adding only about 20 cents for a pair of jeans.
In the marketplace, you will find a lot of silvers which are based on silver salts, typically silver chlorides and silver nitrate. They leach out on washing and gets into environment and also gets onto the skin. Whereas N9 Pure Silver is completely non-leaching. It is bound to textiles for a couple of reasons. One, it's being metallic, so no metal dissolves in water. Right. So therefore, once applied, it stays on the apparel for a longer time. At the same time, the functionalization around the silver material, we have functionalized it so that this binders helps to hook the silver material onto the textiles.
This ingenious material is a mixture of age-old knowledge and modern technology. As clothing needs less washing, it also saves water. And the team here are looking at adding this antimicrobial to mattresses in hospitals in the fight against the MRSA bug. They can now even add it to paper for things like banknotes and shared print, which can be full of bacteria.